Good morning, math analysis. It's actually Thursday night for me. I've been icing my foot all night, so I need to stay off of it today. I'm sorry, but you can do this. I've made this for you. I spent the last hour making this, so please listen. So today you're going to work on your election theory project, and it is going to count worth 50% of your test grade this chapter. So you want to make sure you're doing what you need to get a good grade. So we're going to go over steps 3 through 7 so you know what to do. So I'll remind you what you've already done. So step 1 was getting everybody to vote. So as a reminder, you should have a sheet where you've gotten 30 people to rank a question that you gave them 4 answers to. And so everybody ranked them with their top choice at the top of the schedule, this preference schedule, and their bottom choice at the bottom of the schedule. All right, so step 2 in this process then is that you have to now take a look. So this is actually where you're starting today, is you're going to have to take a look at the different ways that people voted. So you're going to start with how about A, B, C, D, and you're going to go through this sheet and you're going to look for all the people that did A, B, C, D. There's one, three. You can see me counting them in red. 4, 5, 6. So I went through this whole table and I found 14 of them that were ranked A, B, C, D. So now let's look at CBDA. Well, here's my first one in blue, and then there's my second one, and my third one, and my fourth one. So you could see I'm using the blue pen, that there's 10 of them. So if you check my work, you could see that there's 8, 4, and 1, and you could see that I've just tallied everything up now. All right, moving along. One thing I do have to remind you of, we looked at this question earlier in the week, and we asked you how many different possible schedules are there, and you said that there are 24. So do realize that you could possibly get 24 different answers today, but I don't think you will. I'm sure at least a couple people will vote the same. All right, go to your packet right now and look in your packet for this page. And this is going to be the page where you gather all of your data, and you're going to right now go through and you are going to organize all of your ballots like I just showed you in that last slide. So when you're done with that, you should have all of your data organized very neatly and you'll be able to do them for your project. Once again, remember there might be 24 different schedules. All right, so now that you have all of your data organized, you're going to calculate your different winners. So the first one you're going to calculate is the plurality. Remember, most first place votes wins. The second one is the majority. We don't always have a majority winner, but we could. You have to have more than half of the first place votes to be the majority winner. The Borda method. This is where we start at the bottom of the schedule and give last place 1 point and work our way to the top. And we total up the points, and the person with the most points wins. The runoff, you keep the top 2 most first place vote getters and go head to head. Whoever with the most first place votes will win. And sequential runoff, remember we called that the biggest loser. Looking at the first place votes, send the guy home that's the least popular and keep doing it until you have 2 left. All right, if you that was not a good enough review, Miss Parad made a great video that's about 9 minutes long. It goes through every single method nice and slowly. And it's on my Google Drive, although I just sent you the link through Remind. So once again, the majority method, the plurality method. That's how the plurality method works. And finally, you should be using your computer to print some nice graphics for this project. Some examples, if you were asking to rank the Cubs players, maybe you'll make something that looks like this. The Harry Potter people, the question that I asked you guys at the beginning of class. And remember, your data ended up looking something like this. So here are the steps to your project. Take a picture of that with your phone if you need to. It's in your packet. Good luck.